Young drivers need a lot of experience driving in a variety of settings, and especially on lower speed, local neighborhood roads before they are exposed to higher speed roadways. As speed increases, vehicles respond more quickly to steering and more slowly to braking. Inexperienced drivers may make abrupt changes, which can make the vehicle go out of control. It takes time to learn how to handle a vehicle at high speeds. The posted speed limits are for perfect roads and perfect conditions, and anything other requires slower speeds. High-speed crashes have higher crash forces that are more likely to result in severe injury or death. Over 50% of fatal crashes for young drivers occur on roadways with a speed limit of 55 miles per hour or greater. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Commission, for young drivers, there is a dramatic increase in fatal crashes as roadway speed is increased. Less than 10% of fatal crashes for this age group occur on local 25-mile-per-hour roadways, but the percentage of fatal crashes increases as speed increases, with over 50% of them occurring on roads or highways with a 55-mile-per-hour or greater speed limit. In order to reduce your teen's risk of crash, limit their unsupervised driving to familiar, lower speed roads for the initial months of licensure, and gradually allow unsupervised driving on higher speed roads as your teen gains more experience. When you create an agreement with your teen, notice the 4 types of roadways with increasingly more difficult driving conditions. First, restrict your teen to drive only on neighborhood roads or those allowing speeds of no more than 25 miles per hour. As part of establishing the 4 future checkpoint review dates in your agreement, which we suggest occur at about 3-month intervals, consider expanding privileges where your teen is allowed to drive. You'll be able to select local roads that are no faster than 55 miles per hour or then other roads as you expand privileges. Notice that you will be able to set different conditions for daytime versus nighttime driving. We recommend that you restrict your teen's first few months of unsupervised driving to familiar, low-speed roads, and then gradually allow driving on different types of roadways with additional driving experience. Since teens face more driving risk when it's dark, if your teen needs to drive at nighttime, only allow driving on local familiar roads and only consider expanding driving privileges on high-speed roads at night until they have much more experience. The University of Michigan Injury Prevention Center developed this video for parents based on evidence-based content and expertise from the CDC, from checkpoints and evidence-based intervention, and these other sources.